Hey guys, what up? In this video, it's a live trading. As you can see, I just wanted to show you. This is my today's positions on USDCAD and CADJPY. I took a buy position on USDCAD and sell position on CADJPY, and as you can see, and I should tell you that my position size is the smallest one, and I just wanted to show you. And yes, one of them just hit the target, the CAD CHF, USDCHF hit the target, and let me see, USDCAD hit the target, USDCAD CADJPY. Let me show you the analysis of this shit. Okay, USDCAD, where is it? USDCAD, here it is. USDCAD, as you can see, I do my analysis here. I also have a long-term position open here. It's going on. And in this afternoon, I saw it in local time where I live. I saw a double bottom here. It's an important support area. I saw this double bottom here, and the price were somewhere around here. And yeah, can you see double bottom? It's not hard to trade it. All you have to do is just measure the height of this shit, height of this pattern, and just copy paste it as I did as your target. But you enter the position after you see a solid breakout above this channel. If you see it in 1 hour time frame, you can consider it. Also, you can consider it as a trading range, and it doesn't matter if you wanna determine trading range target. You still just copy paste it with this control keyboard and your mouse, just drag it above this box, and yeah, as you can see, it's easy. You can measure this. That's your target, and as you just seen, as you just saw, it hit my target. And I have another open position, which is CADJPY. It's still ongoing. CAD CHF. Where is it? CAD CHF. Yes, CAD CHF. No, it's not CAD CHF. CADJPY. Yes, CADJPY. I miss all of this shit. Let me remove all this drawing. First of all, in first look, what do you see? You see a trend like this. You know, it's a curvy trend. If you have a closer look, you can see. Okay, we at one point we have this trend line. We had this channel, whatever. I don't wanna draw this channel. Just see it, how good, how beautiful, how nice is this pullback after this breakout. And we have this pullback to this bottom. That's nice. And Your first target would be somewhere around here because that's the starting point of your trend line and of this channel. But after this breakout, you see a strong, good-looking breakout and small, decent pullback here with long shadows. When you see this feeble pullbacks, it gives you that you have to get this idea and impression that this is a strong trend, because here we have this pullbacks 50%, 40%. If you compare it, considering this leg, this pullback was about 20-30% of this, but this one is too small, very small. And if you draw a trend line here, you see at some point on there is no touch on this. It doesn't touch, didn't touch this trend line anymore, which means we are dealing with a strong bearish trend. So let's say we took this position. Where should you put your target? Okay, there are a lot of ways, but one of them is this Fibonacci. As you can see, we just crossed this 50% Fibonacci, 50% level with this badass breakout. And next target you can consider would be somewhere around here, and that's where I put my take profit. Let me trace all of this shit too. And yes, as you can see, it's doing its job very well, and is wrong with this. Okay, sorry for the noise. Yes, I put my stop take profit here and my stop loss above this pullback, above this head, above this bottom, above this top, sorry. Yeah, I entered the position. I had this stop order, sell a stop order. I put my I entered the position right after this pullback here, as you can see, right after this pullback. And yeah, I'm on profit. I'm not gonna get out of my position because I think it will reach my TP and target. It will hit that target, and yes, today was a good day for me. In next video, don't miss next videos, because I want to talk about all strategies you can use and have a checklist for yourself. It will definitely help you to reduce the confusion when you are trading. And don't miss the next videos, and you won't regret it. You won't regret about that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me see if there's more thing. You can also figure out your target by measuring the height of this channel. I told you it's kind of a channel. Let me get rid of this Fibonacci. If you consider this as a bull channel, so when you have a breakout above your below of a channel. The target you can see, you can use is the height of this, the width of this channel, and if you put it just put it here, you can yeah, it's somewhere around here. That's Fibonacci area. We just measured this area. So the more you have, the more information and verification and confirmation you got, the higher chance you have for taking profit, and you actually increase your probability and make sure about the position. I check all of this shit before I enter a position. If you practice enough, it doesn't take you a lot of time, and that's one of the advantage of trading on higher time frames, because you have time to assess and analyze and from different perspectives, and you know, you don't confuse and miss anything, and we can make up your mistake instantly. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you to start and work on higher time frames. I know a lot of professionals, they prefer higher time frames, and they just not comfortable despite of their experience, but they prefer to trade on higher time frames. And yeah, you can do it. My personal based on my personal experience, myself, I always choose higher time frames, like 1 hour time frame. It's always been profitable for me. Yeah, you'll lose some positions, but after all, your balance would be positive. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.